Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that contains the photos you want removed. This ensures you work on the right library. Next, open Gmail on the web or the mobile app and find the message with the Google Photos link or attachment. Once you see the images, make sure you open the full image view or use the download option so you can confirm which photos are referenced before deleting from Google Photos. Once done, click the image link or choose Open in Google Photos from the email so you arrive at the photo in your Photos library. This step ties the mail item to the cloud file. Make sure to confirm details like date, album, or file name so you don't remove the wrong picture. Then select the single photo or multiple images using the checkboxes on desktop or long press on mobile. This is the Now delete the selected items by tapping the trash icon. This moves them to trash where they remain for 60 days unless you empty trash manually to permanently free space. Make sure to check whether the photo was shared or resides in a shared album. If so, revoke link access or remove it from the album to stop others from seeing it. If deletion fails, sign out and back in, clear cache, or use a different device. These steps resolve sync and permission hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.